There she be. I thought it had a new seat on it. It looked new. But damn it. It's got crack, just like I do, a butt crack. Oh, I like that. I like that there. John Deere. Good condition, good condition. Don't really like that. I want to repaint the deck. I want to try to resell this thing, flip it. I don't know, not unless it becomes a good motor for me, or a good mower for me. This garage kept for years. You can tell it's garage kept for the years. Look at the paint on that stuff. Look at it shiny. You can see myself in it. So, look at that. It's just good. I love it all the way around. You can't beat that with a stick. 300 bucks, hell. Can't buy a running lawnmower anywhere for 300 bucks. It runs, especially a John Deere. Look at that paint job. I'm just joking. It's a damn mirror. Well, I could just sit here all day and look at this, man. I guess I better get my son to come up here. Hey, son, I need a boost. The battery's dead. Pull it on up here. You want to run the camera? Come on, man. Here you go. Well, I don't know. We don't know. We're just going to call this the end of the video because I got to go hunt down some jumper cables, and I don't feel like wasting time on camera. But anyway, there it is. I'll see y'all later. Keeping it straight, keeping it real. Let the comments know how you feel. Mr. out.